Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna review the flagship 2019 phone of Samsung, the S10 Plus. Take a look at what really made this phone special and ahead of its time. But first, as the stats show, 80.9% of you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, so click the red subscribe button below and help the channel grow, and do smash the like button. Now let's get started with the unboxing. We have the 2019 Samsung S10 Plus. This is the Prism White, which was the most popular color of choice. The box comes with a 15-watt charger, and I should say it is really quick to charge as compared to the other phones. This is a USB wall adapter. Here's the charging cable packed to reveal the Type-C connector. Type-C is indeed the future of cables. Samsung does include an OTG adapter with the USB slot. One end, that is the Type-C, goes on the phone and the other will attach to the USB, which will help increase storage while shooting videos or photos. The S10 Plus comes with the AKG branded earphones, and I should say the sound quality is amazing. With a wonderful braided wire design, and it comes with extra ear tips too to choose as per what fits you best. I really like the packing of the slot. It makes it aesthetically stand out. On the top portion of the box, we get the SIM card ejector pin, inside the box we get the user guide and documentation. Of course, no one really reads it now. And it does come with an hard transparent case, which is very nice of them to include it. However, rubber case would have been better. The S10 Plus has a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display, and yes, it is curved, protected with Gorilla Glass 6 from front and back, with full aluminum frame, making its weight only 185 grams. It is fully protected by IP68 water and dust resistance. It can definitely handle the rain splashes. We definitely get wireless charging and also wireless sharing power. Check out my iPhone SE video to know more about that. And yes, it does come with heart rate scanner too. The S10 Plus comes with triple camera setup. It is a 12 by 12 by 16 megapixel, which is wide, telephoto and ultra wide camera, and the photo quality in this is very excellent. On the left side we have the volume controls and the Bixby button, which is customizable, and on the right we have the power lock and unlock button. It was the world's first phone to get a 4K front camera which records. It's a dual front camera, one 10 and the other 8 megapixels, so you can tell for sure that the photo quality is simply excellent on the S10 Plus. Below it comes with a mic, the Type-C and 3.5 audio jack. Yes, it even has the audio jack. This is also the world's first phone to get the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is on the screen. On the top we have dual SIM slot and micro SD card slot with another mic. At the end, I should say, the S10 Plus was way ahead of its time, with features like ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, heart rate scanner, front 4K camera, long battery life, wireless power sharing, and these are just the few to make it the perfect flagship phone, and it still looks so fresh and wonderful. Anyways, thanks for watching my video to the end. Do follow me on Instagram and smash the like button. and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Join the squad and help the channel grow. Share this video and watch the other videos over here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.